buhay natin, lahat in process. Whatever we want to happen in our life, we need to decide whether we want it to happen or not. Life is not easy. So as to achieve your dreams is not easy. So you better decide whether you want to change your life or not. Because if you want to grow, you need to decide on one thing. Change. You need to change. Yan ang kailangan mo. You need to change. Kung gusto mong yumaman, you need to do the way those people na yumaman. Gumalaw, mag-isip, at magtrabaho. Kaibigan, tandaan mo po, hindi ka po pwedeng pigilan at hindi ka pwedeng pilitin. Kasi wala naman pong pipilit sa atin. Kasi kung merong pipilit sa'yo para magbago ka, walang iba kundi sarili ho natin, mga kaibigan. Are you willing to change? Yes! Are you willing to change?